The barf bag?
Would you like a cookie?
No, no thanks.
Yeah, it wasn't great. I had macaroni and cheese that morning. It went
Too
everywhere.
much information.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to gross you out or anything. But just in case you were nervous, which, of course, I know you're not, I just didn't want you to think that you're the only person who's ever felt that way.
What? I'm not nervous.
Well, I'm a little nervous. Could you do me a favor?
It doesn't have anything to do with barf bags, does it?
No, just close your eyes.
What?
Just do it.
Okay.
Dear Jesus, put your angels on the wings of our plane today and keep us safe. Amen.
You pray?
Were you guys like praying or something?
Yes, we were.
She was. I wasn't.
Yeah. Hey, man, isn't there a law against praying in airports?
No, there isn't a law against that, but there is a law against playing a cell phone during takeoff on the plane. If you don't turn it off, they will confiscate it.
So, what's with the two question marks?
Oh, they're the questions they're asking on our mission trip.
Like, what are you gonna do? And how long are you going to be there?
Or like, why am I here? And why all these people have the same shirt as me? Or maybe, why are we stuck in this lousy airport? And how soon are we going to get out of here?
No, these questions have more to do about our final destination.
So, there are questions about Batanes,
Bataan is our destination today. A wonderful, beautiful place.
Luneta?
You're not even close. It's an incredibly fabulous.
I know. Boracay. My dad's been there.